Hello, LA Moose Tracks. Your Auntie Susan is here again on this beautiful Sunday morning. Sorry, I am still drinking coffee per usual. I just got off the phone with your mama and your Modi, and I thought that I would read you a book as well because you looked so cute even though you got so tired and were crying at the end because you needed a nap. But you were so cute in your little yellow dress riding your John Deere tractor. It was fantastic. So, thought I'd read you a book. I am going to read you Magic School Bus Inside a Volcano. Magic School Bus is the most amazing thing in the entire world. The old version, I have not watched the new version, but I've heard it's very good. But it's such a fantastic show, and you learn so many things, and I can't wait till you're old enough to be able to watch it and understand it. It'll be so much fun. It'll make you love science, or at least have a beautiful appreciation for it. Yeah. So, oh, and you know, we have that problem with the light again. One day, I will stop recording these in front of the window, but I made myself a cute little ledge so that I look much more flattering than I otherwise would. So when I figure out a better place, we won't have these shiny issues, but we might have some shiny issues again today, and we're sorry, but that's just life. Okay, so let's see where, there we go. Ha! The Magic School Bus Inside a Volcano. You know, really they should just not make pages shiny, like that would help a lot too. Let's see. There's a letter to the parents, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna read. Let's see. Yeah, no, I don't. No. So here is Miss Frizzle, and here is Liz. They're dressed appropriately in protective gear, which is very important. So, I just want you to be able to see everything, but I also, balls. Let's see. Does that help? Oh yeah, that helps. Okay. Kind of. The sun is also really weird today. Okay. We'll work on this. So we have Arnold, Ralphie, Keisha, Phoebe, Carlos, Tim, Wanda, and Dorothy Ann. That would be the class. Okay. Do you know Miss Frizzle? She is a very funny teacher. Her dresses are funny. Our bus is funny too. It's the Magic School Bus. See, she has a very fancy dress on. They're making a cute volcano out of very artsy things. Science projects are so fun. And learning volcano things be so exciting. Let's see, here we go. We are learning about volcanoes. Tim made one out of clay. He gets ready to set it off. But Tim is not happy. This is just a toy, he says. I want it to work like a real volcano. Miss Frizzle says, let's go see one. It's fizzing. It's not. It's frizzing. To the bus. A word from Dorothy Ann. A volcano is an opening in the earth where very hot or melted rock comes out. So when you can see and read these things. So he made his volcano out of clay, which is cool as all hell. But he's trying to make it, he's making the magma, lava, I forgot which He's making the fizzy stuff happen with vinegar and baking soda, because when they are put together, a nice chemical reaction happens, which is awesome. And I think you can put like food coloring in there too, so that you can make different colors. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure. There are always surprises with the Frizz. When we get on the bus, it starts changing. Where are we going? To the other side of the earth. I guess we'll have to fly. Guess again, we have a magic school drill. Like, isn't that crazy shit? Like, look at that. And the bus has eyeballs and drill nose, and everyone's getting ready to go. You know they're going to a volcano because it's decorated on the side. Like, ready to go. The magic school drill digs into the earth. We go through the earth's crust. It's mostly made of rock. We're digging through rock. I'd rather hear rock than dig through it. That's probably Carlos. Carlos likes to, you know, make some puns and some jokes and stuff. It's getting hotter as we go deeper. So, this would be magic school bus. So this is the Earth's crust, full of rocks and fancy business like that. And then this is the mantle, that's the next layer of the Earth. Next we go into the Earth's mantle. It is also made of rock. Very, very hot rock. Is the bus very, very air conditioned? Asks Arnold. Be cool, Arnold. That's Carlos. He's being, you know, cheeky. Silly, silly, and cheeky. Is the earth like a peach? Yes and no, by Carlos. The earth is not a fruit, but the layers of the earth are like the parts of a peach. The skin is the crust, the fruit is the mantle, and the pit is the core. Whoa! Earth's temperatures. So once you get, so there's the crust and the mantle. And then once you get to the core, there's the inner core and the outer core. The outer core is 3,000 to 4,000 degrees Celsius. The inner core is 3,000 to 6,500 degrees Celsius. Can I convert that into Fahrenheit? I mean, eventually, but I don't remember the formula. So that would, that I'm not, yes and no. I could, but not at the moment. Miss Frizzle keeps drilling. Now we're at the center of the earth, she says. It's called the core. So there's a little cloud and a teeny tiny tree. And then, let's see. The the outer core is liquid metal. So that would be, this is the mantle. So the outer core is liquid metal. My book says the inner core is solid metal. So liquid and then solid, because this is the core. And then teeny tiny, there's the magic school drill. And so bring it out. The core is even hotter than the mantle. Is it getting hotter and hotter and hotter? Miss Frizzle, get us out of here. We drill out of the core and through the mantle again. Now we're on the other side of the earth. So, crust, mantle, outer core, inner core, outer core, mantle, crust. And then there's a volcano on the other side. So there's the magma chamber, and the pipe. That looks slightly suggestive, but that's fine. We're close to the crust. We're under a big volcano. We see a giant hot puddle. Miss Frizzle gives us heat-proof suits. That goo is red. It's hot. It's messy. It's magma. That's Dorothea, and she always has like the last sweet line answer. Like it's perfect. Magma is very hot. These suits will protect you, says Miss Frizzle. Then she shouts, "Jump in, kids!" What is magma? By Wanda. Magma is melted rock. Magma is found in pockets inside the earth. The pockets are under or within the earth's crust. Tim is the first one in. Oh, look, there's Tim. Tim is the first one in. I want to see magma up close, he says. What is that rumbling sound? Good question. Let's find the answer. My stomach is rumbling too. Who usually says that? Usually it's Arnold. Nope, that's Ralphie. Ralphie's usually hungry. We look around. The magma is rising higher. The rumbling sound is getting louder. What will happen when this hole fills up? Let's watch from the bus and find out. Couldn't we watch it on a video instead? That's Arnold. He is always very distressed. Like, very distressed every time. But it's such a fun adventure. But he still has lots of distress. More magma fills the pocket. It pushes us up. We blast up into the tunnel. Volcano by Tim. The inside of a volcano looks like this. Magma pocket within the Earth's crust or under. The pipe, and then the vent, and then the lava flow. The volcano is going to erupt. What does that mean? See, I'm just not very good at that. Explode. Oh, that's not going to go well if I try and read that upside down and backwards. Blow its top. Shoot it sky high. Oh, that's Carlos. Carlos is being silly. We shoot into the air. We float on a thick cloud of ash. Then the bus lands on a river of lava. When magma hits the air, it's called lava. When a school bus hits the lava, it's called scary. Arnold. This lava is red hot. This lava is moving. And see, like, it's so funny. The bus says, go with the flow. We look around. The volcano is on an island. The island is made of lava. Lava that turned into rock. Bus, do your stuff. But the lava below us hasn't turned into rock yet. There we go. The lava is moving too fast. It's taking us into the ocean. This is no time for a swim. Lava is behind us. A giant wave is in front of us. We are trapped. Watch out. By Keisha. When a volcano erupts, it may cause giant waves. These are called tsunamis. How to say tsunami? Tsunami. The frizz hits a button and we lift off into the air. There we go. We're going up. We're going away. Hooray! We fly over a lot of islands. Miss Frizzle says they are all volcanoes. They all look different. No two volcanoes are the same. My volcano is a cinder cone. I'd rather have an ice cream cone. Carlos. So, the different types of volcano. Whoa. There are composite cones, caldera, cinder cone, and shield. My presumption is that it has to do with how active they are, but I'm not 100% sure. It has been many years since Auntie Susan has had a class that teaches her about volcanoes. So, yeah. Back at school, there we go. Back at school, we make lots of models. There are different types of volcanoes, Tim says, but there is only one Miss Frizzle. It's true, it's true. I'm looking at the pictures they have on the wall, and it doesn't look like it's actually about how active they are. It looks like it's just the type and maybe where the chamber is. I'm not sure. It takes brains to understand volcanoes. It takes more brains to understand Miss Frizzle's dress. The end. Because, the end. Some facts about lava. Lovely lava. 3 common types of lava include lava, which is thick and chunky. It can flatten most things in its path. How to say is ah. So lava. Pehoi lava, which is thin and smooth. It looks like long ropes when it cools. How to say pehoi? Pehoi. These very much sound like words that may have come from the Hawaiian dialect. Oh, sweet. Ha, I was right. Come from the Hawaiian language. Sweet. Your Auntie Susan sometimes is brilliant. So, go me. Billow lava, which is rounded. It forms when underwater volcanoes erupt. A'a and pehoi are words in the Hawaiian language. What did one volcano say to the other? I lava you. And this is Carlos erupting with laughter. All right, baby girl. Auntie Susan loves LM's tracks so much. I love you so, so, so much. I hope that you have a wonderful nap and that I get to talk to you later. And yes, goodbye, Ellie Moose Tracks. So much love from your Auntie Susan.